In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Roblox Jurassic Blocky Discord server. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox and Discord videos just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to join the official Roblox Jurassic Blocky Discord server, the first thing that you're going to want to do, and keep in mind this is going to work on mobile and on PC, is actually just go all the way over to this left hand side and scroll all the way down towards the bottom, and you're going to see a little plus icon here. Go ahead and select that plus icon and then hit join a server on this tab that's going to appear. Once you do select this, it's going to ask you for an invite link. Don't worry, you don't actually need an invite link. You're just going to want to go ahead and type in the following exactly like this: Jurassic Blocky with a J capitalized and the B capitalized, and make sure it's spelled correct and all one word. If you don't do this exactly like this is not going to work. After you do type it in though, go ahead and hit join server. It's going to load for a second and automatically put you into the Jurassic Blocky Discord server. From here, you do have to go ahead and just read over these rules and accept them. And then of course, after you do so, you do need to go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the Jurassic Blocky main chat. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.